This is the tomb of the unknown soldier, a nameless soldier brought here in 1923 to carry, for everyone else, the weight of a war. But not even the dead escape politics. In 1958, the communist regime shipped him off to Marrakech to make room for a mausoleum built for party leaders. He didn't come back until 1991, after the regime that exiled him was gone too. We drop down toward a witness from an older chapter, the Roman arenas, built in 1906, 17 years before the grave up there even existed. Unlike the monument, the arenas were never rewritten. The same 5,000-seat amphitheater, still hosting concerts, over a century on. Not everything left from 1906 is what it looks like, though. Take this tower. It looks pulled from a medieval legend. It's actually a water tower. They nicknamed it the Citadel of Vlad the Impaler, a name with nothing to do with him and everything to do with Bucharest's imagination. We move on to another king, another layer of history, the Zodiac Fountain, raised in 1935 under Carol II. What ties these layers together is the design of one park, 45 hectares laid out by the Frenchman Edouard Redon, a stage where every regime, in turn, staged its own act. And there on the horizon is the next act, the Palace of Parliament. Another story for another flight. If you liked flying through 120 years of Bucharest's history, the Palace of Parliament deserves its own flight. That one's coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it.